Prepare ledger in books of Hari. So 1st April, we have the first entry. Hari started business with cash rupees 200. So 1st April, my entry will be cash is coming into the business. Now I am not writing the entries here. Let's try to do it without jotting down the entries. Hari started business with cash 200. So the entry will be cash account debit to capital account. It is 1st April and the amount is 200. Okay. Now, what will be the reverse effect in capital account? Cash account debit to capital account means here by cash on 1st April. You need to write full date 1st April 2015 like this. It will be 200. Okay, so the first entry posted, and you can see that you have done an correct posting because one side is debit, other side is credit. Cash account debit, as we say, cash account is debiting and capital account is crediting. So this entry is correct. Next, purchased goods in cash 500. So the entry will be purchase account debit to cash. I have to open a purchase account debit to cash, and this is on 5th April. It is 500. So when in purchase account I write here to cash, purchase account debit to cash. So in cash account I will write by purchase. On 5th I need to write by purchase. How much? 500. So the second entry is also done. Okay, 6th April. Bought goods from Surya on credit 300. Okay, now the earlier entry was a cash entry, now it is a credit entry, but both the times we have to debit purchase. So purchase account debit to Surya. Purchase account debit to Surya on 6th of April by 300. Purchase account debit to Surya. So in Surya's account write by purchase 300 on 6th of April. Okay. Now 10th of April. Paid to Surya in full settlement of his account 250, means 50 rupees is discount. So what your entry will be? I will write the entry here. Surya account debit 300 to cash 250 to discount received 50. Okay. So in Surya account the posting will be Surya account debit to cash to discount received, to cash 250 to discount received is 50. It is 10th, the date is 10th. Okay. In cash account, what will I do? Let's move on to cash account. Surya to cash 250. Surya to cash 250. So I will write here by Surya 250. The date is 10th. And now what about the discount? Surya to discount is 50. Surya to discount received is 250. So here what I have to write? By Surya 50. See, discount receive is an income. It is being credited. I also have to credit it. The date is 10th. Now you can see that cash and discount total has to be the amount of Surya's balance, that is 300. Now what's the next entry? Sold goods to Radha on credit 5000. Okay. Sold goods to Radha. So Radha account debit to sales 5000. Radha account debit to sales 5000. Date is 11th. Radha account debit to sales. So in sales account, can I write to sales? No. By Radha. 11th. 5000. Okay. Now, goods returned by Radha 200. See, when I am selling goods to Radha, it is Radha to sales. When goods are returned by Radha, what entry will I pass? The entry will be sales return account debit Sales is credited, sales return has to be debited. Sales return account debit to Radha. This is a sales return entry. Sales return account debit to Radha by 200. Sales return account debit to Radha. 200. Okay, where is Radha's account? Sales return account debit to Radha. So by sales return, how much? 200, and the date is 12th. Here also mention the date, sales return, it's 12th. Okay, next entry, April 15th, check received from Radha 4800. See, 5000 minus 200 is 4800, so the full amount check has been received. Check received from Radha 4800. The entry, as check is received, the entry will be bank account debit to Radha. So bank account needs to be put in bank account debit to Radha. How much? 4800, and the date is 15th. Now let's go to the Radha's account. Okay, bank account debit to Radha. So by bank here, 4800. See, Radha's account also got tallied 5000 here, and this is also 5000. Date is 15th. Now the last entry, paid wages 200. So wages must be paid in cash. The entry will be wages account debit to cash on 26th of April. Wages account debit to cash account. Go to cash account. Okay. Wages account debit to cash. No, it will be by wages 200. Okay, the date is 26th. Now we have to balance our ledgers. Actually, there is a mistake in the question. Hari started his business with cash is 2000. Please make it 2000 here. I will just put a fast entry in the capital also, that it is 2000. Okay. Now let's continue. The total. See, cash account, you cannot spend more than what you have. So always take the total of the debit side first. Take the total of the debit side first. Why? Because I cannot spend more than what I have. I have 2000 and here also the total should be 2000. So whatever falls short, 2000 minus 500 minus 250 minus 200 has to be 1050. Now this you will write on 30th April. You will write it as by balance carried down 1050, and on 1st May you will be writing it as to balance brought down 1050. Okay, now talking about the capital account. Here we have a balance here, 2000 is the total, 2000 should be the total here. So on 30th of April, to balance carried down 2000, and on 30th of April, so 1st May, by balance brought down 2000. Okay. Let's check the purchase account. 500 plus 300. We have a total of 800 here. This also needs to be 800 so that the total can become 800. So on 30th of April, by balance carried down 800. So on 30th of April, on 1st of May, to balance brought down below this total 800. Check for Surya's account. 250 plus 50 is 300, and here also 300. No balance. Discount received account. This total is 50 here. I need to put 50 here so that the total will become 50. So on 30th April, it will be to balance carried down, and on 1st of May, by balance brought down 50. Now coming up to Radha's account, it has already been tallied. No need to carry the balance. Sales account, 5000 here. I need the total 5000, so I write 5000 here. So I get a 5000 as total, and on 30th April, it will be to balance carried down 5000, and on 1st May you will have it here by balance, the opposite side, by balance brought down 5000. Sales return 200 here. So on 30th April, by balance carried down by 200. Keep the total 200, And since the balance is here, on first you have to write it here, opposite side, to balance brought down 200. Now we have bank account having a total of 4,800 of good balance. So on 30th April, by balance carried down 4,800, total 4,800, and next month, the first day of May, to balance brought down 4,800. Now we have the wages account, balance it, total 200. So on 30th, the opposite side, by balance carried down 200, total 200. On the opposite side, on 1st May, to balance brought down 200. So that's all. This is how we post our entries into the ledger. And just a small tip, whenever you are making it on paper, see that you have enough space for cash account, because that account has maximum entries. So if there is no enough space provided in cash account, you can have a problem regarding the tidiness. Cash and bank have major entries, so just check for that.